Hey everybody, Justin Sainer here. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start a Cat Lovers Shopify store with Doba Dropshipping. Really powerful, not going to require you to buy any products up front. I'll show you exactly how this works. And it's really all about the power of dropshipping. And what exactly is dropshipping? Well, it's the best business model that's online today. You get to sell hundreds of different products like cat toys, electronics, clothing, home goods, beauty items, and so many more without ever touching inventory, without ever paying for any inventory up front. You don't need to deal with warehousing or shipping logistics. Zero upfront costs, never deal with shipping. That's why dropshipping is so amazing. And this is the old way to do it, right? You'd have to buy from a wholesale. You'd have to buy, let's say 100 pieces or 1,000 pieces, and you have to pay up front. So you have a lot of money that's being risked. And then you have to store all the product and ship it yourself. We're not going to do that anymore. We're doing it the new way. We're doing it with dropshipping, where we have our Shopify store, and we're going to connect our dropship supplier, Doba Dropshipping. And we're going to be able to add existing products from Doba's massive catalog. I'm going to show you over the shoulder. We'll add those products into our store. And once we have products in our store, we'll then be able to get customers to come and order those products, right? And what happens when they order? Well, they pay us. So this is a fully cash flow positive business. We're never paying for products up front. Once customers pay us for the product, then automatically Doba steps in. They'll ship the product to the customer. They'll package it up all nice. They'll even provide the tracking information on your behalf, all automated through the Doba app. And it's really simple to do this. All you need to do is download the Doba dropshipping app. You could download it and connect it to your Shopify store. You're then going to have your dropshipping app from Doba offer everything that you need to crush it with dropshipping. And it's a simple 4-step process. You install the Doba dropshipping app. You then go in there and search for products in your niche. In this example, we're going to do cats, right? We want to build a cat lover store. I'm going to show you some amazing cat products, just like the one you saw on the first slide here, inside of Doba that's available to be dropshipped right now. We'll choose winning products for our cat lover store, and then step 4, we're simply going to add them into our store with one click. Really, really easy. Everything's automated. Once orders come in, it all happens automatically. Everything is fulfilled automatically. You don't need to copy and paste the customer's name or address or anything like that. The Doba app handles it all. So we're going to go over the shoulder, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this and how you could start your own cat lover dropshipping store pretty easily with Doba. You could sign up at doba.com. You see the link directly below this video. You can jump into this great 14-day free trial offer. And once you sign up, you'll be prompted to enter into your account, where you could then see the catalog. And I highly recommend you check out the Temu selections, the TikTok shop selections, the high profit and the new arrival sections. These always have amazing products that you really want to add into your store. And especially with new arrivals, you could be one of the first to be selling something. It's always a big plus. But what I'm going to show you over here is we're building a cat lover store. And of course, we could go through the pets category and go right into cats. And this is going to allow us to literally just do so much really quickly. We see all these different products, right? And literally scroll. I highly recommend you spend some time literally just, going through the catalog. It's really fun actually to see and kind of start to get ideas about what you want to sell and what type of brand you want to build, what type of product pricing you want to have. And anytime you see a product you're interested in, you say, oh, this looks pretty good. I want to learn more about this obstacle travel course. You just click it. And just like a product or a Shopify store or an e-com store, you would start to see like product details, right? You see the images, you see the cost. This is going to be what it costs you. You're going to see the different variants. You're going to see where it ships from. You see this product ships from the United States, right? And you can see all the information that you really could ever need or want for your Shopify store. And you say, you know what, I like this product. I'm going to add to my inventory list. And you could add it to a specific keyword or tag, so you could organize them, and you just simply click confirm. And we want to add tons of products to our inventory list, because that's going to be what we use to connect Doba to our Shopify store. Products on our inventory list will be able to be one-click added into our Shopify store. So that's what I'm saying. You spend some time, you go and add products into this list. You go and browse the Doba catalog. You say, you know what, really like products that look like this. I think these price levels, we're going to make some money here. High quality looking product, right? Or you could say, I want to be on the lower end type of product, little toys and things like that. Or you could just have a combination of everything, right? So I'm going to, again, add any product that I think is relevant. Adding to the inventory list, like I said, it makes it one click away from being added into our shop. And You could do other things like advanced filtering. Take a look at average processing time, delivery time, fulfillment rate, refund rate, even things like on sale or products with video. This is cool because then you could use these videos in your marketing. You take a closer look and say, okay, this cat grooming brush looks good. It's got a good video as well that I could use for ads and things like that. And for my marketing, we'll click add to inventory list. And really the cool part is going to happen now. We're going to click add to inventory or view inventory list. And we're going to see all these different products in our inventory list, of course, the ones that we selected with tags for cats. And I'll select, let's see, I'll do this cat tree, and I'll do this grooming brush. So you can select as many as you want. But you see I check the box here, and I'm going to click list to store. And you see it's got my Shopify store connected over here. You'll connect yours automatically as soon as you sign up for Doba. Again, you see the link below this video. Then click continue over here. And now what we're going to do is literally set the product title, description, and pricing for these products. And they even have an AI feature where I'm going to go ahead and click AI Optimizer. I'm going to go ahead and create this title for me. I'll go ahead and select that one. And I'll do the same thing for my cat grooming brush. We're going to have AI create a new title for me. And I'll select, I like this one. Okay, now description, right? All of this information comes from the Doba product information page, right? This is just like I showed you earlier, all this information now getting sent off into our store. So you could change it. Maybe you want to make this part bold and this part italic. Maybe you want to say anything you want, put it right in over there. You can even do AI Optimizer over there, and we see the same thing over here. The description comes over. Let's say I want to make this bold, italic, underline, right? We do whatever we want. Now we click on variants, and this is going to be a more relevant example over here. Variants would be things like different color available or different size available, or just a different option, maybe a 1-piece or 3-piece or 5-piece, right? Variant options here. Each variant is going to have its own price, and in the variant section is going to be where we set our price and see our profit margin. So we've got this really cool wall-mounted cat tree. It's got some nice imagery. It's a pretty nice product. I'm going to go at $99 on there. See, we'll make $50 profit each time. Over here, a little bit lower price on these. We're going to go $19 for each of these variants. And maybe you're going to say, you know what? I don't want to sell the white one. It's going to get dirty and people are going to, not like it as much. Okay, no problem. You just uncheck that and you say, I just want to go with the powder pink or the blue. And maybe you even want to change it. So you call this just pink, right? Make things simple and do that. You can select images that you want to go as well. So, we could uncheck these and we could say, I just want to add in these specific images, and you could preview them to make sure that they look good. Same thing over here. Once everything looks good, just like this, we're going to now click List Now. And this is now creating the products inside of Shopify. We don't need to go to Shopify and click Add Product or copy and paste anything or, right click and save any images. All of that is happening automatically using all the detail that we selected. So it's going to add these products. It's going to set the price. It's going to have the images. And just like any other product in our store, it's going to be able to be purchased. So let me go inside my Shopify store and I'll show you these right now. And here they are. We've got the $99 wooden wall mounted cat post. And you see I just added the anything you want here just to kind of prove a point. You can put whatever you want in the product description on Doba. It's going to get sent over into your Shopify store. Same thing over here. We got our pink and blue variants. Of course, we set our price. See, I made that bold, underline, italic, right? Again, really easy to do. We could just do this over and over and over and build a massive product catalog, in this case, for the cat lover niche. So that was Doba. Literally can build your dream drop shipping business. All you need to do is just follow along with what I showed you there. Get some great products in your store, add them. Everything's automated, literally no upfront costs. You don't have to buy any minimums or anything like that. That's why drop shipping with Doba, so powerful. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment underneath this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. Otherwise, I hope you build that massive drop shipping business with Doba. I hope you make a lot of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.